Couple new rotors. Mine were toast. I couldn't get them machined, so I had to get new ones. And then tires. They came out pretty decent. A little bit of scarring, but that's expected, I guess. There's that one. That one's got a little bit worse scarring, but I think I can fix them up. So, yeah. That's the tires. That's the dogs. Here, Rena, where's your ball? Pick it up. Bring it here. Oh, this way, this way. I'll get it, I'll get it. Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah. Where is it? Speak. Speak. Sit. Right here. Sit. No barking. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Other one. Good girl. This one. No. Good girl. One more. Good girl. Here you go. Go get it. Mom's getting too old. It's really hot right now. Yeah, I don't want to get you too tired. It's freaking hot. And I took him for a rollerblade after I did. Oops, after I did the other video there, so not a big rollerblade. They haven't been for a bit. We usually take them down to the river. That's what we do. But yeah, took him for a rollerblade this morning. It's pretty cool. It just ran beside me. Right? Sit. Good girl. Speak. Her mom can't speak. I don't know. She never spoke. She just shakes paws. Speak. Soccer player. Okay, no more, hon. No more. Anyways, yeah, so cool. New rotors, new tires. Got my calipers. Gonna try to get most of it done today. We'll see how she goes. Anyways, yeah, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you soon.